Hey, it's Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com, and I'm going to demonstrate two trade examples for you today. One is a student, and one is one that I took. The student one is real quick and real fast, and actually they're both not very long, but the student's is real quick and real fast. And basically, what he's doing is taking a test on or he's taking a short off a triple test, and it's a nice little trade. But here it comes. You can see the trade's already triggered. It doesn't get it going fast enough, but you can see he entered one tick below the triple test there, and he's trying to get 4 ticks basically, and he's just looking for a retest of the lows here, and it looks like maybe he might even get a retest. But you see how quick and fast that was. This was a nice trade. I couldn't zoom in any more than that because it came to me, the video already made. Um, But there it is, a triple test, and nice, quick, easy trade. Nice job by that trader. Uh, I can't, no, nothing negative about that. It was a perfect trade. Now here's one I took just to kind of set it up. Um, I was looking for a possible short here. It didn't set up, but I ended up getting a chance to go long in the end, and I'll probably skip ahead to that. But I wanted to demonstrate the trade example here too, but there was a little error in it, so we still got some bugs. Somebody's already asked me about downloading it. Well, we haven't finished testing it and making sure everything works properly yet. So until we know it's all the bugs are out of it, I don't want to I don't want to give it to anybody to use. So once we're confident we've got all the bugs out, but we still got a little bug because one happens in here. And what happens is it triggers the trade. It gives me all the right amount but when I exit my runners, when I exit my scout part, it doesn't take 15 contracts off the safety stop, and I didn't catch that. And so when I exit my 5 runners, it automatically instantly reverses the trade for the shorts too, and puts me in 15 trades. I can't remember if it puts me in long or short. I can't remember. I think it puts me in short because I'm exiting a long. So there's still a little bug in it, but the trade itself is a great setup. So I want you to see this trade, but I'm going to zoom ahead here and find this trade and go from there. See if I can. It won't let me zoom ahead, so it doesn't take too long to set up here. But I'm just really waiting on a trade to set up. I not only wanted to demonstrate the software, I wanted to demonstrate a proper trade as well. And so I'm really waiting on that. I tell you, I might just pause it here and see if I can zoom ahead so we don't have to wait. Okay, I was able to zoom ahead here, and notice I've got a trend working down, a close outside the new low, plus there's also a possible failed breakout. Now, this moves really quick, but you see as soon as that, I actually clicked the button there just prior to it clicking above. I clicked the buy button up here, and it instantly got me in. And you can watch here, but what happens, notice I moved my safety stop, and now I'm trying to figure out where I want my target on the runners, and I move that. Uh, and you see I'm not worried about any risk reward ratio. This is a big bar. You know, I'm confident I'm going to get 4 ticks before it's going to move all the way down here and stop me out because I'm confident in my setup. I'm confident in my read. And you can see I did exit there. But notice what happens. It didn't change this to 15 contracts or to 5 contracts. It didn't take off 15 of them when I exited, and it's supposed to. So that's a small error there. And I'm still trying to get my runners going here. We do get stopped out. We get a couple of ticks on the runners, but what happens is because there's 20 contracts still here, when it exits these 5, it puts me short 15. So that was the problem with the stop on the runners, or actually puts me long 15. I ended up making a tick or two off of them because I didn't realize what was going on until it had moved back up a little bit, and I was able to actually exit with a couple of ticks. I believe I was able to exit. I'm pretty sure I was able to exit with a couple of ticks there. But we'll watch it and see what happens and make sure. But what I'm doing is waiting for, I'm moving it up. Each bar now, as it closes out, I'm moving. I didn't move this one to break even or break even plus one. I gave it some room because I wanted to see if I could get a runner going here. And it does give me, I do get a nice little profit going there, but it comes back and I don't make as much profit because I think it's the next bar. I think I end up, I can't remember how many ticks I get, but we'll see here. All right, so now I'll end up moving it up to the next bar. And I think I ended up moving it up one more. This next one completes too. And you see I came close. I should have put this right in front of the resistance, and I might have had a better chance of my runner there. But I was trying to get a little over 4 points there on it. Actually, I don't think I would have exited even one tick in front of that resistance now that I were thinking back about it. But we'll watch. All right. I think I move it up below this bar when it one tick below this bar when it completes. I can't remember how many ticks that gave me, but it gives me a couple of ticks of profit. All right, now I move it up when that bar forms. So now I got it one tick below the previous bar. And yeah, it looks like I get one tick on the runners. So it ends up getting break even plus one anyway. But you can see it put me short now, or long now, a bunch of contracts. But I believe that I exited it. Or see, we're in the pot plus now right there. I hadn't figured out what's going on yet. And I closed it right there. Well, I still hadn't closed it, but I figured out here in a minute and I close it. And I think I'm in the profit now. If I just went ahead and closed it right there, I know I get profit. But I think I still, maybe I did. Maybe I lost a tick or two on that. So I thought I got it closed while I was still in profit, but it looks like I lost a couple of ticks. But anyway, you saw the trade example, and you did see an example of this that was not a good example, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the live trade anyway. Again, we're in a range, a little or congestion here, and prices are moving lower. And we got a close outside and a couple of legs to a new low, plus a failed break lower. So I wanted to try to get a scalp on the long back into the range there. And that's what ended up happening here. And so it was a nice profitable trade. The actual test of this cost me a couple of ticks there, but it's been working fine, and all of a sudden it didn't work properly. So there's some kind of bug in there, and we'll keep working on it until we get it right. But I hope you enjoyed watching the trade. We'll try to do more of them, and I'll keep you posted on the trade strategy here, the chart buttons, and next time I'll try to do one of these too. This one seems to work well. But there, we're at the end of the video, so I'm going to stop this. Thanks for watching. This is Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com, and we'll see you next time.